Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting prerequisites out of the way: VS Code, the Arduino IDE, and the Arduino and C/C++ extensions. Open VS Code, and once done, install the Arduino extension from the marketplace so you can select boards and ports. Plug your board into USB and check Device Manager to note the COM port. This prevents guesswork. Make sure the Arduino IDE's board package is installed so the extension can compile. Now you're ready to pick the board and you now configure the project. Open the Arduino panel, select the correct board and the COM port you noted earlier, and set the sketch folder. Once selected, create or open your Arduino file and add includes. Use the library manager in VS Code or copy libraries into your project's lib folder so compilation finds them. For repeatable builds, add tasks. JSON entries to customize compile and upload commands. Make sure the serial monitor settings match your baud rate so you can debug while developing. You finish by verifying and uploading. Run verify to compile, then upload to flash the board and watch the integrated terminal for success messages. Once uploaded, open the serial monitor to confirm output. If upload fails, make sure no other app is using the COM port. Reset the board and retry, and check drivers if Windows didn't assign a proper driver. If the serial monitor shows gibberish, make sure the baud rate matches your sketch and close conflicting programs before trying again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.